aviators, Bessie Coleman, and Tuskegee Airman Benjamin O. Davis.
Hello, my name is Bessie Coleman. I'm an early aviator. I'm the first African-American female aviator. I was born in Atlanta, Texas, 1892. Because of segregation in America, I moved to France to learn how to fly.
I'm sorry, we don't have that. But over here is our drone optical cars made by And working on this project has taught us about kinesthetic cartography, which means we learned hands-on about mapping an airspace for drones to fly in, and about altitude, airspace classification, and reading airspace maps. So when the drones are ready, we'll fly them around the room.
Yeah.
Okay, would you like to speak?
So basically, like hello, I'm a drones pilot, and also a drones pilot is also called a remote pilot in command. We learn to identify different components and what those features do. I work with a partner known as a visual observer or VO.
Alright, so a VO helps the remote pilot in command with their visual line of sight, or VLOS. This means the VO helps the pilots monitor and locate the drone at a far distance.
Alright, and before you can fly a drone, you need a pre-flight checklist. And Ethan will tell you what a pre-flight checklist is.
A pre-flight checklist is something to make sure your drone is ready for flight.
Alright, and now would Mr. Andrews like to add on to this?
Hello, class. So, with the drone class, what we're here to teach you today is the opportunities that lie in the space of aviation and aerospace. Are y'all familiar with aviation?
Yes.
What's aviation? Aviation? Huh?
The White Brothers.
The Wright brothers.
Oh,
What's that The Wright brothers are founders in the aviation space, right? All right. How many of y'all have